すみません。相生に行きたい。
相生になってます。
これ。
Yes.
ありがとうございます。どこに行きますか？どこ？私、相生に行きます。よろしく。
ここ。はい、わかった。
So it's written in my ticket that I will arrive at Ayui at 10:56, and now it's 10:57. Just 1 minute late, but we arrived. Quite amazing, impressive still. There are more than 5 million of these vending machines like around Japan, one for every 23 people, and many of them are on the platform of the train stations. So usually in summer, like there are cold drinks, and during the winter, warm drinks, and it's really convenient. You can pay them either by your coins here that you have, or you can even scan your pass, your subway pass. So let's get on the Kawaii train. Sugoi. Train was more than 12 hours train ride, and then again it's on time. As you can see, it's supposed to arrive at 5. After 3.5 hours of train, it was supposed to arrive at 8:29, and it's 8:28 again. On time. Just across the railways, there is an udon place. Beautiful. Again on time, strike. After more than 13 hours of train ride, like hopping from one train to another, finally I reached Hakata. But what was like really impressive, it was like none of the train really had a delay. They were like all on time. Those trains were not like fancy trains like Shinkansen. They were like normal, like Japanese train, but they were all on time. I think after 2.5 years, like Japan still still amazes me. It's just unbelievable. So cheers guys, see you guys one of these days. Have a good night. Ciao.